Hi, my name is Anya, and today I really want to make some Black Forest cupcakes. So if you like this video, give it a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to be notified every time I upload.
In a bowl with 1 cup of flour, add 1 cup of sugar, 45 grams of cocoa powder, 2 teaspoons coffee granules, 1 teaspoon baking soda, and a pinch of salt. Mix until well combined, then set aside. Next is the wet ingredients. In a bowl, add in 1 egg, a half a cup of buttermilk, a half a cup of oil, 2 teaspoons vanilla essence, and whisk until the mixture is smooth and well combined. Pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients and mix until well incorporated. Pour in a half a cup of hot water. Mix until the batter is smooth. Pour the batter into a lined cupcake tray and bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes, or until a toothpick comes out clean. Next is assembling the cupcakes. Whip about a cup of cream until stiff peaks form. Pipe onto the cooled cupcakes. Dollop some cherry jam on top of each frosted cupcake. Sprinkle on some chocolate flakes onto the cupcakes. I hope you try to make these at home. Enjoy!